Okay, today we're going to talk about lesson 2, part 2 presentation. We stopped here yesterday and I just want to go over what this presentation is about. All right, so all the pages that you've done prior to this presentation are going to be used for the presentation, especially the activities in lesson 2. Let me change my pointer here so that we can look at the whole screen a bit. And so first it says that you're going to use the information that you gathered above to create a short presentation for the class. Okay, so what they're talking about is all the information that you got when you looked at the Superfund site data table and filled it in. So you did this from your website where you looked at all the map for Missouri and the different areas, and here's the website right here that you use to do that. So once you have all that information down, then you can start on your project after you've done all this. So you just scroll down to your presentation, and you're going to need to make some kind of visual aid for your presentation, like a PowerPoint, or you can find images, pictures of the company that you picked above, and you're going to use pictures of the actual or representative ecosystem that would be affected by contamination from your site. So this is all from the site that you picked before this, right before this part, in part 1. Make sure that your presentation includes the information in the table, as well as your responses to questions 11 and 12, which are right here. So all this information, you're going to make a presentation with the information that you had above. Okay, so all of this information at the top. Excuse me, I'm working with a mouse and a pen tool, so it's a little iffy here. Okay, so here is all the information that you gathered when you did this part of the lesson, and you're going to use it to make this presentation. All right, so as far as uploading the presentation so I can see it, you can take pictures or you can do a PowerPoint slide, which would probably be the easiest thing for you to do would probably be to do the PowerPoint slideshow because you can turn it in that way. There is a card on Workspace so that you can turn this in. And it says that it's the turn in card for presentation on lesson 2, part 2. And I'll be putting that on as soon as I get this video done. So before I post this video, I'll have it up there for you. Okay, so that is the presentation explanation for lesson 2. If you have